Ranmantiga. I am Gurumurthy, working as a science teacher, GGSS, Palani, Dindigul district, Tamil Nadu. I am proud to join Indian Science Festival 2021. I choose topic Life Beyond Earth. First of all, New Basin Laboratory. Various types of bacteria and microvirus organisms are made mingled in, mingled in human beings motion and urine. Both of them mingled with each other and form new microorganisms and in laboratory show that the land and air water are polluted. For preventing this pollution, we prepare new basin laboratory. It will separate urine and motion and prevent them from mingled. By urine, separate tank should be connected for making that above mentioned process. We should not be prevent new microvirus organism pollutes the land, water and air. Through that the food crops will be poisonous, that poisonous food crops makes disease to human being. While taking the food for reducing that disease, we are taking different medicine that causes problems to human body and also make so many microorganisms and spoil human life. And another one, purification and discharge of dye sewage. When dye is used with clothes and acid, base and soap are also used during this process, non-reacted wastage come out in the sewage. This dye sewage can be purified with the same acid and base in the recovering recycling process. Soil, air and water will not be polluted. HCl acid plus NaOH base gives neutralize NaCl salt, H2O liquid water. But first of all, in this type of patient, the microvirus organism are produced. It now the new basin laboratory. In basin laboratory, the motion this side and the urine in this side, they separate the speed brake type landing. This plate is this connect with a separate tank, this connect with separate tank. in this type, the polio in this type, the create new virus is not produced. It it will save for life human being. The another purification. This is base in this color, this glass, this color the base. So the base, it will mix with acid. Mix it with acid. Its color is base convert into neutralize. Base control is neutralize. In dyeing process used in acid and base. The first used in base and unreacted base put out. Unreacted base mixed with acid, it will give neutralized water, neutralized, and then used in acid. Acid is come out, you put base, it will be neutralized. In this method, the air and water, land are not polluted. It is purification method. Recycling their process is the dyeing process. The land and water and air is many places are polluted by dyeing factories. It is born by in this method. Thank you very much.
எடுத்துருக்கேன்
Huh?
எடுத்துருவா
I think.